Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your Jio set-top box model and make sure it accepts USB accessories. This is critical because the router itself usually lacks Bluetooth. Once confirmed, plug a known working Bluetooth USB dongle into the SDB's USB port, then power cycle the box so it recognizes new hardware. While it restarts, put the Bluetooth device you want to connect into pairing mode. This prepares both sides and avoids wasted steps later. Once done, use the set-top box remote to navigate to settings and find the accessories or Bluetooth menu. The exact label varies by firmware, but you need the Bluetooth pairing screen. Select Scan or Add Device. The SDB will search through the USB dongle and list nearby devices. When your device name appears, select it, then confirm any PIN prompts or accept requests on the device itself. This two-step confirmation secures the link, and it explains why pairing must be done from the SDB side. To finish, test the connection immediately. Play audio, use controls, or verify function in the app. This confirms successful pairing. If it fails, try a soft reboot of the SDB, reinsert the dongle, or use a different certified Bluetooth adapter. Firmware updates on the SDB can add driver support, so make sure the box is current. If problems persist, move devices closer and remove other wireless sources. That single troubleshooting tip, change dongle or update firmware, resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.